Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to remove Face ID data in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on security and privacy. Now in security and privacy, scroll down and click on biometrics, and here click on face recognition. Now enter your PIN, password or pattern here, and after that, if you want to remove the Face ID data, then click on remove face data. Now here it will ask you to confirm removing. So if you are confirmed you want to remove the Face ID data, then select remove, and now the Face ID data is removed. You can add new face. So that's how you can remove Face ID data in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.